head out the sunroof. I'm blasting.
Hi, we're Huey. Wow. And like this is off camera. I think the thing that made me feel the most at home was the weather. When I first moved here, it didn't stop raining for 3 weeks, and I was like, okay, I'm at home. Yeah. Can I say rapping Ferrol? I think probably Real Madrid. I like the octopus. No. You're all my favourite.